watching Channel 4. We interrupted. Due to a national emergency, stop take attention as this is still vital to life.
All news outlets have been alerted that a power plant containing nuclear power has exploded in London. This will cause radiation to form, damaging structures and causing massive damage and poor air quality to the place. Highly effective. The highly effective are London. Birmingham, Manchester. All cities of Wales, Belfast, Dublin. To ensure your survival. Lay on the floor. When radiation hits the area. Turn off all electricity. If not able to prepare for explosion. If you are outside, then turn off the air in the vehicle and duck for cover. If you have any pets or children, keep them calm as possible. When in shelter or bunker, you are not allowed to leave as it puts you and anyone inside shelter at major risk of radiation poisoning. After radiation has been cleared, you could see your house destroyed due to radiation. If your house isn't damaged, then you should open all windows for a long time to let radiation go out. According to both Heathrow and Gatwick airport, planes that were set to depart and arrive at those airports lost contact with the airport and crashed, killing a lot of occupants on board. The radiation has covered skies of London and Dublin and Belfast. As the radiation spreaded into the water and is now headed towards Manchester. There is now nitrogen monoxide. Time to escape. You are not allowed to open your mouth as it could majorly kill you. Airplanes are now crashing into the ground and your house is at risk of fire. People across downtown London are foaming at the mouth and having seizures. or being killed. You are at risk of death or passing out. That is the end of the emergency broadcast. Like said, evacuate your home. Channel 4 logo would thank you for your bravery in calming down your children during this.